Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see how you follow on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option. Click on your full profile. Okay, click on friend option, then tap on your friends. Okay, click on shorts option, then all list, click, then your own friend, then back, tap on see all, then friend request and short all friend request list first. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.